speaker for your PC? If yes, you are in the right video. Here's the unboxing and overview of the Creative 5.1 T6300. Before getting started, if you end up liking this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to smash that subscribe button and the bell notification icon to get notified each time when we upload new video. Now let's get started. Here is the box. I have been purchased this from the Amazon. I leave a direct link in the description box down below. Go and check it out for your reference. Now let's open the box. We have the separated categories for speakers and subwoofers. Taking the speaker box separate, kept for the moment. Subwoofer with some documentation and cabling works that you need. Here's the power. Here are the 3 ports to connect with your PC, and we have the wired remote control, as you can see. Here are some of the documentation. Finally, let's see the speakers. Each one speaker carries 7 voltage output. The first two is left and right. You can mount it as you wish. And balance 3 is the center, rear left, rear right. First two speakers are the large and balance 3 should be a medium one. Here's the center, left, and finally the right. And some stickers to mark those. Nothing else in the box. Now let's see the subwoofer, which subwoofer carries 22 watts. Overall, the 150 watts audio output with 75 decibels. Here is the bass control and some of the input ports. Here is the left and right speakers, which is tall. Left, right and center speakers, which carries 3 to 5 meters of cable. Rear left and rear right, which carries 10 meters of cable for the connectivity. Let's set up the things. While speaking the setting up the things, here is the pre-card about the tutorial of how to configure a 5.1 or any other multimedia speakers. So don't forget to check out when it's available. Here is the black connected to black of the motherboard. green. While connecting green, you will get the notification pop-up window, and finally the yellow one. Just configure on PC the 5.1 and then continue. Now let's connect the speakers at the back of the subwoofer. Take the rear, center and left and right all the connection to a proper connection port output. Finally, everything set to be done. I will play some of the demo video. Let's see the sound and bass. That's it for today's video. Let us see in my full review. Bye bye now.